Hey friends, it's Baci and welcome back to Baci's Learning Land. Whoa, we have the alphabet right here. Today we're going to do a little song to practice our letter names, our letter sounds, and a word that begins with this letter. First, I'm going to say the letter names. Then we're going to follow with the letter sounds, and then this is where you come in. You can say out loud any word that begins with that letter or the letter sound. What's going to be different is the letter X, but we'll get to that one. Okay, are you ready? Song goes like this, and feel free to move, okay? A, apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. Nice. E, elephant. Good thinking. F, frog. G, grapes. H, helicopter. I, island. Yes. J, jellyfish. K, kitten. Good thinking. L, lollipop. M, moon. N, nest. O, orangutan. P, piano. Q, quilt. R, rainbow. S, sandwich. Take a big bite. T, tiger. Roar. U, up. Whoa. V, violin. W, wagon. X. I like to think of a word that ends with an X with a letter sound. Like which one? Like fox. Like box. Yeah. Y, yeah. Yellow. The color yellow. Z, zebra. Whoa. And just like that, we had so much fun learning about the letter names and letter sounds and words that begin with the letters. Ooh, I can't wait to play with a game with you. Are you ready? Okay. I'm going to pick 2 letters, and then you're going to try to guess what letter that is, and then we're going to celebrate doing the hokey pokey. Ready? Okay. There's letter number 1 and letter number 2. Which one of these letters is the letter O? Can you point to it, please? Yeah, it's this one. Okay, this is where it gets fun. You put the O in, you put the O out, you put the O in, and you shake all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Open! Wow! All right, we're gonna do one more. Ready? You can't see. Oh, don't look. Ooh, I'm gonna choose these ones. All right, you ready? This is number 1. This is letter number 2. Which one of these letters is the letter P? Can you point to it, please? Good work. You put the P in, you put the P out, you put the P in, and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Popcorn! Wow, that was so much fun. You did fantastic. And thank you so much for learning with me, and I can't wait to see you soon. Bye!